Good morning!
Day 3 of our trip.
And today we're going to Disney World in Epcot.
Yay! I'm so excited.
But we don't have the family with us. They decided to go to a different theme park.
Because here in Disney World, they have 5 different theme parks, right?
Yeah.
5?
No, I think it's 6. 4 theme parks and 2 water parks. We're here! I see Spaceship Earth! So we came in pretty early. It's like, this is an hour early. But there's already a lineup. We should get in line!
So it turns out the long line that we saw a while ago is for guests with reservations. They have a breakfast society. Epcot.
Oh, this is the lineup for us cheapers.
People without breakfast.
So we had a little bit of a hiccup. It turns out you need an email if you have a will call ticket. They gave us this one. Here's the rope drop line. You gotta be closer.
Morning, everybody! Morning! Ladder up!
And for the this was a marathon.
Why did we eat burger for the last 2 days?
I'll be able to catch up later on once again.
First ones!
First one's in.
No lines.
Select your vehicle.
Yeah. Create the shape of your vehicle. Yung shape, i-move mo.
Oh, really?
Oh, you have to move it. Optimize.
It got bigger.
Length.
Color.
Oh, color.
White.
So if you drive this way,
Those are the wheels, I think, or something. Oh, yeah, there you go. Ah,
We have blasters.
face. Oh, facelift.
Wheels.
Wheels.
Oh, this one.
Oh, okay.
You want this?
What is that?
You want
There's power, there's capability, responsiveness, and efficiency. You need power.
Look at our finished product.
SIM card performance data acquired. Commencing sim car off-road and extreme weather sequence. Displaying responsiveness data.
Here comes the final test.
Energizing for power test. Displaying power test results. Sim track for
Do you know how to drive?
This is the test track queue if you don't do the rope drop.
Oh no!
Good thing we did the rope drop, eh?
Yeah, we were the first ones again.
And it was an amazing ride for the first one.
It's so amazing. I thought it's just indoor and then suddenly it went outdoors.
So we had no idea. We had no idea on how really test track is.
Yeah.
It turns out you get to design your own car and you get to test it. That's why it's test track. But yeah, it was pretty amazing.
It feels like you're in a real car, driving it and racing it out on the track.
Yeah, I hope that when the queues go down in the afternoon, we can ride it again.
We got our free buttons.
Okay, now we're going straight to Spaceship Earth for our FastPass. First FastPass of the day. Hindi roller coaster ito.
Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we?
You can get daily health checkups by stepping into your home health scanner. The info goes to your dog. You're getting the exercise that you love. With your vital signs, making sure you get the ultimate workout that you love. So take a leap into your future. It's too good to miss. And, or should I say, the beginning of your future.
That was pretty interesting, right?
Yeah, we went to the future. We saw our future selves doing future things like flying a car.
The first half of the ride was like mostly explaining what the history of mankind is. Pretty good.
During the ride, we had 2 delays. The first one took a long time, like a couple of minutes, and then the ride went pretty smooth, and then afterwards there's another delay, so the whole ride paused for a few minutes. But overall, it's pretty good.
The rides here in Disney are pretty informative. We had a bunch of twists and turns yesterday because Universal's is mostly like VR and motion, but Disney is more like relax and take your time and be informed.
So it also caters for younger generations and also for older people as well. Sarap.
Tastes like melon.
Melon carbonated. Searching for more to try. got the drink from Peru. It tastes like bubble gum.
So if you guys get all thirsty while you're here in Epcot, you can go to Cool Club. They give you this sample cups, then you get to choose like different bunch of flavors. It's all fruity flavors, carbonated fruity flavors.
It's a specialty of each country because it represents a country in its flavor.
It's scorching hot. Unfortunately, we have to go back to where the gate is because that's where Mission Space is. That's our third FastPass.
I think we should have brought our umbrella.
Yeah, that's a good idea actually. Time for the last FastPass of the day.
Yes! We have no idea what this ride is, so let's see.
Something about space. So when you guys enter, you're given the chance to choose between an orange mission or a green mission. Choose orange.
We strongly encourage you to select green team, less intense training.
You're here today to train for the greatest adventure in the history of mankind.
Team 5, are you ready to go?
We're ready to go.
Your mission is to get to that landing site. Your flight path to Mars will take you around the moon for lunar gravity assist. Follow the markers on the floor to your extreme training and begin boarding now.
A few moments later.
I'm so dizzy right now.
I'm not made for space.
I think that's the most busiest that I've had since we got here.
Now I know. I don't want to be an astronaut or be sent up to space.
But it's amazing because how would they emulate that feeling, right? Like I feel like I'm on a real rocket ship.
I don't like it.
Like I feel the pressure and all. Such a tight space. I don't know how they did it.
I don't like it. Let's go away, go away.
Good thing we weren't too full before we came here.
Yeah, don't eat before you take this ride.
Still thinking about it. How did they emulate everything? It's like that feeling that you float in space, right?
I don't know.
I think it's magic.
Disney magic?
Still trying to hold my vomit.
Ooh.